Welcome back to our channel Crash Learning is Fun. In this module, I am going to explain how to convert a unit from one system to another under the topic conversion of units. So before going to the topic, one should learn and remember the following table. We all know that SI units are the standard measure of units. So to change the size of the units, to fulfill the needs of various branches in physics, multiples and submultiples are introduced. Multiples are the units which are greater than SI units and submultiples are the units which are less than SI units. So to convert the units, we have to remember this table. Here is a table where we have multiples and submultiples. 10 deca dA. The symbol is dA. This is the prefix deca. And multiplication factor is 10. 10 power minus 1 deci. Symbol is D. 10 power 2 hecto. Symbol is H. 10 power minus 2 centi. Symbol is C. 10 power 3 considered as kilo. K. 10 power minus 3 it is milli. M. 10 power 6 mega. Capital M. 10 power minus 6 micro. Mu. 10 power 9 giga. G. Capital G. 10 power minus 9 nano. Small n. 10 power 12 tera. Capital T. 10 power minus 12 pico. Small p. 10 power 15 peta. Capital P. 10 power minus 15 femto. Small f. 10 power 18 exa. Capital E. 10 power minus 18 auto. Small a. The first two multiplication factors 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2 are not the SI prefix but commonly used. If you are confident in remembering these values, we will move on to the conversion of units. So let us begin with some simple example. Convert 2 centimeters into meter. So to start with the solution, first write the question in this form like 2 centimeters is equal to dash meters. Now, before the equal to sign, we call it as left hand side, and after the equal to, we call it as right hand side. See, here meter and meter. Here what is the extra one we have here is centi. So what is the centi from the table? Centi is 10 power minus 2. Now we have to check out where centi is. Centi is in left hand side. So when centi is in left hand side, we have to write the value as it is. See, here I am rewriting the solution. 2 centimeters is equal to dash meter. So here we have 2. So write 2 as it is into. Now centi value is 10 power minus 2. Since it is in left hand side, take the value as it is. So 10 power minus 2. So the value is 2 into 10 power minus 2 meters. That is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 2 means 1 by 100 meters. That is equal to 0.02 meters. This is our solution. Now, let us move to the next sum. So, let us take another example. Convert 40 meters into centimeters. So, first, what is the first step? We have to rewrite the question. So, 40 meters is equal to dash centimeters. So, your meter and meter, centi is in right hand side and this is in left hand side. So, in previous sum we have seen that centi is in left hand side. So, when it is in left hand side, we are writing the value as it is. Now, the centi is in right hand side. When the centi is in right hand side, we have to write the reciprocal of centi. Remember, this point is very important. Reciprocal of centi. So, what is the reciprocal of centi? 10 power minus 2 will become 10 power plus 2. Minus 2 will become plus 2. So, here minus 2 will become plus 2 when you are writing the reciprocal. So, meter and meter no need to consider. So, centi value is 10 power minus 2. So, we are writing the reciprocal. So, reciprocal is 10 power 2 into the value of 40 as it is. That's all. 40 into 10 power 2 centimeters. That is equal to 40 into 100 centimeters. That is equal to 4000 centimeters. Now move on to the next example. So in this example, we are converting 60 centimeter into kilometer. So first step is rewrite this statement. 60 centimeter is equal to dash kilometer. If you observe meter and meter this side, here centi and here kilo. So both sides we have the values. So first write the kilo value. Kilo value is 10 power 3. And what is the centi value? 10 power minus 2. So this is in the left hand side and kilo is in right hand side. So when it is in left hand side, we have to write the value as it is. And when you are writing from the right hand side, it has to be written in the reciprocal form. So I am rewriting. So 60 centimeter is equal to dash kilometer. So kilo is 10 power 3. So since kilo is in right hand side, we have to write the reciprocal. So 10 power 3 will become 10 power minus 3 into. So 10 power minus 3 into centi. Centi value is 10 power minus 2. So I have to write as it is because it is in the left hand side. So 10 power minus 2 into this value 60. So just check it out. Here meter is there. Here meter is there. So no need to consider. Here kilo value we have written as 10 power minus 3. Since it is in the right hand side, we are writing the reciprocal. And centi value is 10 power minus 2. So since it is in left hand side, we are writing in the as it is form, that is 10 power minus 2. And we have 60 here. 60 also is represented. Right. So 60 centimeters is equal to 60 into here 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 3 kilometer. So these two bases are same. So when bases are equal, power we have to add the powers. So we will get 60 into 10 power minus 2 plus minus 3 kilometers. So we get 60 into minus 2 minus 3. That it will become 10 power minus 5. So 10 power minus 5 kilometers. So this is our answer. So now let us understand how to convert 5 mu g into 10. Mu is nothing but micro. This is ton. So what is the value of 1 ton? 1 ton is equal to 10 power 3 kg. Just let us write this value and keep aside. Now let us write the equation first. 5 mu g is equal to dash ton. So to convert here it is gram, here it is ton. So it is difficult. So first we will split into two equations here. First step is 5 mu g is equal to, first let us convert 1 ton is equal to kg, no? So first let us convert into kg. This is our first step. So first to convert into kg, this is our right hand side and this is our left hand side. Mu value is equal to 10 power minus 6 from the table ma. Mu is 10 power minus 6 and kilo is 10 power 3. Right? So 5 mu g is equal to dash kg. Kilo is 10 power 3. Since it is in right hand side, we have to write the reciprocal. That is 10 power minus 3 into, here mu value is 10 power minus 6. So I have to write as it is because it is in left hand side. So 10 power minus 6 into 5. So I will get 5 into 10 to the power of, these two are bases are equal. So I have to add the power. That means minus 6 plus minus 3. It becomes minus 9 kg. Okay, this is our first equation. Now this equation we have to convert into ton. Now let us check it out. 5 mu g is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 9 kg. Now this 5 into 10 to the power of minus 9 kg we have to convert into ton. So I am writing the equation is equal to dash ton. Okay, so here grams are not there. Here kg is there, here no grams. So what we have to do here? We know the value of ton. 1 ton is equal to how much? 10 to the power of 3 kg. So from this equation, what is 1 kg will become? 1 kg will become 10 to the power of minus 3 ton. 1 kg will become 10 to the power of minus 3 ton. So what is the value of 1 kg we got? So 1 kg is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 ton. So I am writing the equations here. 5 into 10 to the power of minus 9 kg is equal to dash ton. Now, where is this kg ma? Kg is in left hand side. So, when kg value is in left hand side, we have to write the value as it is. So, what is the value here? 10 power minus 3. Already ton is present, so no need to write. 10 power minus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 9 into 5. So, kilo value, kg value is 10 power minus 3 ton. So, minus 3 I am writing, ton is already present here. So, I am writing 5 into 10 to the power of minus 12 ton. So, finally, what is the value of 5 mu g? So, 5 mu g is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 12 ton. So, this is our solution. Now, let us see how to convert units when they have squares and cubes in it. Okay, convert 20 centimeter square into meter square. So, first write this equation like this. 20 centimeter square is equal to dash meter square. Here if you see here centimeter square means we have centi square and meter square here. Okay, so here we have meter square and meter square, so no need to consider. Here we have centi squares. You know the value of centi. Centi is equal to 10 power minus 2. So centi square means whole power square. So you will get 10 power minus 4. So this is the value of centi square. Okay, so now we have to write the equation. So 20 centimeter square is equal to dash meter square. So here we have meter square and meter square, no need to consider. Here we have centi square is 10 power minus 4. Since it is in the left hand side, so write the number as it is, that is 10 power minus 4 into 20 as it is. So we will get 20 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square is our solution. Now finally we will see how to find the relation between gram per centimeter cube and kg per meter cube. Gram per centimeter cube is the CGS unit for density. CGS unit for density. And kg per meter cube is the SI unit for density. SI unit for density. Now let us find the relation between these two units. So 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to dash kg per meter cube. Now here we have gram, here we have gram, here we have kilo. Kilo value is 10 power 3. Since it is in the right hand side, we have to write the reciprocal. So 10 power minus 3. Now here meter cube, centi also contains cube. So centi cube, centi value is 10 power minus 2 whole cube. So you will get 10 power minus 6. That is centimeter cube. So centimeter cube is in the left hand side. So you have to write the number as it is. So 10 power minus 6. Right? Now finally I get 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 10 power minus 3 by 10 power minus 6 kg per meter cube. Now I will rewrite 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 10 power minus 3 into, this is in the denominator. So I want to take to the numerator. So it becomes 10 power 6. Minus 6 becomes plus 6 when it goes to the numerator. So kg per meter cube. Now I will get 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 10 power plus 6 minus 3 will be equal to plus 3 kg by meter cube. So finally 1 gram centimeter per minus 3, this is in the denominator, so when it is going to the numerator it becomes minus 3 is equal to 10 power 3 kg per meter cube. So this is the relation between gram per centimeter cube and kg per meter cube. I hope you all understood how to convert units from one system to another system. This conversion of units is very simple, but it needs some practice. Okay, take as many examples as you can and practice these sums. If you are, then I am sure that you will be able to do any type of sums after watching this module. Okay, thank you.